Xiaomi SU7 Ultra prototype blitzes the Nürburgring. A Xiaomi SU7 Ultra prototype has set a new lap time of 6 minutes and 22.91 seconds at the Nürburgring, making it the third fastest prototype ever on this track. This achievement is nearly 24 seconds quicker than its previous record in 2024. Xiaomi's determination to improve its performance is evident as it continues to try and push boundaries in the automotive world. The previous record for the SU7 Ultra prototype was 6 minutes and 46.87 seconds. Xiaomi has been setting distinct records for both its prototype and production versions, which can be confusing. The production version holds an impressive record of 7 minutes and 4.957 seconds, leading the production EV category by surpassing competitors like the Porsche Taycan and Rimac Nevera. The stripped-down SU7 Ultra achieved a lap time of 6 minutes and 22.091 seconds, surpassing the Lotus Evija X prototype's 6 minutes and 24.04 seconds. It now ranks third overall among prototypes at Nürburgring. Second place is currently held by the Volkswagen ID.A with a time of 6 minutes and 5.33 seconds, while first place remains distant with Timo Bernhard's record of 5:19:546 in the Porsche 919 Evo. Underneath its sleek design reminiscent of Porsche models, the SU7 Ultra boasts 3 electric motors generating a combined output of 1,527 horsepower, 1,138 kilowatts, and torque of 1,306 pound-foot, 1,770 Newton-meters. This allows for a 0 to 100 km/h sprint time of under 2 seconds and a top speed of 350 km/h. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful, and let us know in the comments. Would you consider the new Xiaomi SU7 Ultra as your next car? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.